we're going to pick up the camper van today.
So after a bit of a false start in Queenstown, where we got a camper van, paid the deposit, paid for a pre-purchase inspection, and then found out it was leaking oil, so had to take it back. We got our money back, which was great, but of course we lost the money on the inspection. We travelled up to Christchurch, and been here for about a week now, looking at more camper vans, and we've decided to buy one. It went to the inspection yesterday. It needed about $1,000 worth of damage. We did a bit of negotiating, got them to bring the price down a little bit more to compensate a little bit at least for this damage. We're off to pick it up right now. We'll show you it once it's all sorted. Hopefully this all goes smoothly.
We picked up the camper van. It's now Ben Taylor's camper van.
It's ours, baby, it's ours. Might be my name, but it's ours. So it was actually a really easy process. I used Revolut, so I sent the money to Revolut. The people we picked it up from, bought it from, were Israeli, so we could, using Revolut, just send it directly in Israeli shekels to their Israeli bank account. There's small fees, but mostly minimal, because Revolut's just very good. Not a plug, not sponsored, obviously. I wish we were sponsored. I mean, with our 82 subscribers.
Sponsor us, Revolut!
We'll do loads of business for you, so much business, the best. But no, it was ours. Apparently there's no fee to change over the ownership, so that was great.
Apparently there used to be though. He was like, oh, you can just have it, no pay. We were like, wow.
Perfect. We went and did it at VTNZ, which is a chained garage all through New Zealand. There's one here in Christchurch and there's one down in Queenstown. If you look on the map, there's loads of them all over the place. Now, I think, yeah, so we need some photographic ID. So I used my passport, that wasn't a problem. You don't need insurance in New Zealand, but we're going to go and get some. We did the drive back to the hostel without insurance. It's just sensible to get the insurance just in case there's an accident. You know, if I crash into a Mercedes or an Aston Martin, I don't want to pay for that. No. The insurance can cover that. At the very least, third-party insurance. The rest of the day, we'll just be filling up the camper van, filling up the space, and figuring ourselves out a little bit before we take it into a garage just to get some little things tweaked and fixed, ready to set off on our journey. See you there, guys.
Bye. Make sure you subscribe to follow along on our campervan adventure.
Let us know in the comments if you have any recommendations for us or any questions about our experience buying a campervan in New Zealand.
Hi, this is our new campervan. This will be the kitchen area. We've got some clean water and some grey water, and we'll do some chopping here. We've got frying pans, a cooler, and then come this way. Automatic doors. That's really cool. We've got the bed here. We need to set it all up, but we've got some storage under here, and they gave us a sleeping bag as well. And then more storage there. And more storage under here as well. We've got some little fairy lights going around. And then in the front, it's quite comfortable in the front. We've got aircon, obviously.
Bluetooth, it is a Japanese import, so this is in Japanese. It's an automatic car. It's a Toyota Noah 2008 with 188,000 kilometers on it. In total, we've paid, including the mechanical work needing done tomorrow, about 10,000 New Zealand dollars. Now, we think it's a pretty fair price from what we've seen online and comparative vans and a few other assessments and talking to mechanics. It seems to be in quite good nick. So we're going to see how this goes and how this baby takes us on our journey. I decided to get full comprehensive insurance against theft, against damages, anything, everything's covered. I'm going to have road breakdown. If there's a chip in my windscreen, anything like that, it will be covered without me having to pay an excess. Amazing. It's cost me £385 for the whole year. That's, to me, a really good price. For my insurance back home, it was a car of a similar price. It's worth about the same, give or take. And I was paying over £1,000 a year in the UK. So we're looking at 30% off the price for the insurance in New Zealand. It's with AA, a great company. I've heard good things about AA insurance before. So very happy, with the price we paid for insurance.
Thanks for watching.